Hello document creators. In today's video, we will explore how to easily add page numbers to your Google Docs. Whether you're writing a report, a thesis, or any other document, knowing how to include page numbers is essential. Let's dive in. 1. Insert page numbers. Go to the Insert menu at the top, select Page Number, choose the placement of the numbers, top right of every page, top right, starting from the second page, useful for excluding the title page, bottom right of every page, bottom right, starting from the second page, click Apply to add the page numbers. 2. Customize further, optional, if you want the first page to have a different number or a title in the header/footer, click anywhere in the header/footer area, make sure the different first page checkbox is selected, customize the page number or add your desired text, and there you have it. Your Google Docs document now includes page numbers. Happy writing!